Hello friends, welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to make sprout salad recipe. If you're watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Let's get started. We have taken green moong sprouts 1 cup, soaked overnight, sprouted and boiled for 5 to 7 minutes. Boiling makes the sprouts more softer. Now we'll be adding 1 whole grated carrot. After this we'll be adding 2 medium-sized cucumber finely chopped. Finely chopped tomatoes 1. Capsicum finely chopped half. Green chillies 3 to 4 depending upon the spice you want. Freshly squeezed lemon juice 4 to 5 tablespoons. Now we'll add chaat masala 1 to 2 tablespoons. Black pepper 1 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Mix it well. Our salad is ready to serve, a very healthy and tasty recipe that can be made in minutes. Let's take it out in a serving bowl. We can have this at any time during our breakfast, lunch or dinner. It tastes really good. Person who follows diet can easily have this. It's very healthy and tasty. It's a very colorful salad as it has all the veggies in. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest update. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.